Hey guys, today I'm gonna unbox Apple iPhone SE 2020, the much awaited iPhone. I ordered it through Flipkart and got it the next day. Let me quickly open it and let's see what's inside. So a brown pack, let me just take it off, and we find pretty usual iPhone box. It's pretty packed the similar way like other iPhones. At the back you have the specifications. It's a 64 GB variant, white in color. I'll just take this film off and let's see what is inside. So sides, you have iPhone written on it, a logo at the sides. Let's open it now. Alright, so on top it's instruction leaves, and here is the phone. Pretty good and pretty handy. You have logo at the center and nothing apart from that. And you have camera, microphone and flash on top. It's sleek, similar to 6S or 7. It's pretty handy, and you have your favorite Touch ID back. Pretty standard charger. You have earphones. This time no 3.5mm audio jack, and a pretty standard charging cable. Alright, nothing else in here. I'll quickly go ahead and let me just look at what we have here first. Alright, so you have a SIM ejector, some instructions, and you get two Apple logos as well. Pretty branding stuff. And let's come back to phone. I'll quickly give it a start. Boom. And alright, I'll quickly set it up for you. I'll just take this thin film off. Oh wow, what a glossy finish. Hello. Alright, I'll just quickly set it up and I'll catch you up. I have it ready. Let's quickly explore it. And we have the Touch ID back. It's very handy, it's good to hold, and yeah, pretty nice. So alright, let us quickly go to touch as smooth. Let's quickly go to the settings now. I'll go to the about phone section, and you see the software version is 13.4.1, model is SE. Have a look. Alright, it's a 64 GB variant, out of which 51.86 GB is available. And the experience of using it is pretty nice, as similar to other iPhones. The bottom you have pretty similar stuff, and you can adjust your display, your volume, and we have a pretty decent flash light option here. Alright, I'll just brief you about the other specifications that we have. So it's using a GSM technology. It's a 4.7-inch display, but 750 by 1334 pixels. You get 12MP camera at the back. It's running on 3 GB RAM, and the battery is 1821 mAh lithium ion. So the dimensions are 138 by 67 by 7.3 mm. The weight is 148 grams. Display is Retina IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen with 16 million colors. Size is 4.7 inches, and you have a resolution of 750 by 1334 pixels.